simplify the expression, the entire expression. Simplify it. We're not solving it yet, but we're simplifying it, meaning this part also becomes simplified into 3 plus 2. That's going to give us 2/5 plus 5/4. Now, this is what we're dealing with now, 2/5 plus 5/4. Okay, so now we have 2/5 plus 4/5. 2/5 plus 5/4. Now, we work with that. Two-fifths plus 5/4. Now we have to convert both of these into like denominators. We cannot add them because they're different, so now we want to try. Well, let's see what happens when we multiply 4 by 2. That gives us 8. If we multiply 5 by 2, that gives us 10. Okay. Well, let's try multiplying the numbers by each other. 5 times 4. So that gives us, 5 times 4 is 20. Okay? 5 times 4 is 20. So, so 20 here is going to be our common denominator after we convert the fractions. Now, in order to convert the fractions, we're going to multiply 2/5. Or we want to multiply the denominator by a number that's going to give it, it's going to make it 20, which is also a product of 4. So 20 are both products of 5 and 4. So we want to multiply both and then add them both together. Okay, so we get 2/5 times 4/4, or 8/20. That comes to 8/20. 4 times 2 is 8. 5 times 4 is 20, which we were going for, the number that we were looking for. 5 times 5 is 25. It gives us 25/20. Okay, so we get 8. We get 8/20. Or excuse me, we get 8 plus 25/20. Or we say 8 plus 25 over 20. Right? Now 25 plus 8 gives us 33. So our answer is 33/20. We get 33/20. Now, next, and that's our answer. And it's correct. Now, let's say if we want to turn 33/20, which is an improper fraction, that's going to be converted into a mixed number fraction. You want to convert 33/20 to a mixed number fraction. (33/20). Now right away, one method to break down or to convert an improper fraction to a mixed number fraction is to look at the denominator. Look at the denominator, we notice it's 20, so if the number is greater, so we know the numerator is greater than the denominator, so we can say 20 plus 13 over 20. Okay? Well, that gives you 20 over 20 plus 13 over 20. Now this allows you to cancel out the 20 and to make 1. That becomes 1 plus 13/20 or 20. Or we could say 1 and 13/20. Keep writing 12. 1 and 13/20. Okay, now we want to try this addition. We're adding 4 fractions. 3/5 plus 4/5 plus 2/6 or 2/6 plus 10/18 or 10/18. Now it's obvious here. First, we can add these two together. That becomes 3 plus 4 over 5. Plus 2/6 plus 10/18. Now we deal with this. Now that's 3 plus 4, that becomes 7/5. 7/5. Plus 2/6 plus 10/18. Okay. Now, these are all unlike denominators. Now here we both have even numbers in it. 6 and 18 are both even. 5 is odd. So you're going to have better luck multiplying them each by each other, rather than trying to find out through trial and error which has like denominators. For example, we could multiply. So if you try to find, for example, 18 times 2 is what? 36. Now for 36 equals 6 times 6. But 5 does not divide evenly. 5 is not a factor. of 36. So here we know that 18 is a factor of 36 in that you can multiply it by 2. 6 is a factor of 36 if you square it.